Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a drugstore affordable makeup look. Something very easy and simple. So let's get started. For brows, I'm using Rimmel London Brow Pencil in Hazel. I'm just filling them in and then I'm going to clean up with some concealer to make it look nice and crisp. Then for primer, I'm going in with a Revlon Photo Ready Brightening Primer. It was first time using it and it wasn't that bad. I actually really like it. Then for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 220. I'm just gonna buff that in. Then for concealer, I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. It was a little too yellow for me, so I went in with Porcelain. It's not too yellow, but it's not too white either on me. I don't know, this is the combo I liked, so that's what I'm doing. And let's just ignore the fact that my hair is all funny in the back. I know it bothers me, but there's nothing I can do. I tried editing it out, but yeah. To set my under eyes, I'm going in with Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I'm just using that yellow banana shade. To bronze up my face a little and contour at the same time, I'm going in with Annabelle Biggy Bronzer. I'm skipping blush because this bronzer kind of gives me that blush effect as well, so I just think there's no need for me to put another product on my cheeks. And then to just clean up my bronzer to make it look a bit nice and clean, I'm going in with the same banana powder from the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette. And then for eyes, I'm using the Colorpop You Had Me at Hello Shadow Palette. It's such a cute little palette. I can't get over it. It's pink, it has a mirror, and it's like nice and small, good for traveling. Anyway, I'm using that champagne color to just put all over my lids. Then for the outer corner, I'm going in with that dark brown shade. I think they all have names, but I don't want to get into that because I don't remember the names. But on the palette, if you do purchase the palette, they have names on the back. Next, I'm going in with that mauvey purplish color and putting that on my lower lash line. I'm just going for a really soft, subtle smoky eye. And then here I'm using the NYX retractable white pencil in white. Highlighter, I tried to use this Physicians Formula highlighter, but clearly it was complete shit. So I just went in with NYX Cosmetics Strobe of Genius Illuminating palette. And that's the glow I wanted. For lips, I'm going in with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Milan. Such a pretty color. And then to finish everything off, I'm going in with NYX Cosmetics Setting Spray. And I like to do my mascara after I put the setting spray so it doesn't smudge. Sometimes that happens to me, so I prefer it this way. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!